Another interesting thing is the Bloom game. So this ticket drop game, you see I have 5 tickets. I can go ahead and click on play, and the portal will load. The portal will load where these flowers will be falling. You see how I'm taking them gradually. I'm avoiding those ones that look like bomb, because if I click those bomb, everything will disappear. And you see, I also click the one that looks like cloud. Once you click the one that looks like cloud, it will pause all the game, giving you the time to claim. You see, so I have to claim and avoid this bomb, avoid the bombs. And you see, when I hit the bomb, everything, I lost all my coin. You see that? So what I need to do, I need to keep avoiding those bombs. It is very easy to avoid. I just click on the bomb to show you what it will do. So I got 19, and 19 of Bloom will be added to my account.